In this video we're going to show you how to change the drive rolls on your Translas 10xpm Push-Pull Maestro. Required tools: wrench, metric 8, imbus hexagon, small imbus hexagon. Put the lever up to the front. Use your metric 8 tool and rotate the nut to the left side. Remove the nut. Use the small imbus tool to loosen the screw. And remove the screw. Remove the bearing cover. Remove the drive roll. Remove the other drive roll. Depending on your welding consumable, either it's being steel, flux or aluminum, you can set the correct pressure on the drive rolls according to the table underneath the top cap. Insert the new drive roll. Reinstall the bearing cover. Insert the screw again and tighten it. Tighten the nut, left-handed thread. Position the lever up to front to lock the wheels and use the metric 8 to lock the nut. Put lever back and close top cover.